5 gym mistakes that are hurting your gains. Training regularly is an excellent start that will result in long-term change. That said, many athletes still make common mistakes that can kill gains and stop them from achieving their fitness goals. One of the best ways to get results faster isn't to make sure that you're doing everything right. Rather, you need to evaluate what you're doing wrong. Have you been working out and going to the gym for quite a long time but you still haven't seen any progress? If that's the case, then you may be one of those people who are unknowingly committing gym mistakes that are actually hurting your progress. For instance, using too heavy weights is no good. And we will be discussing this and more next, so don't go yet. Number 1. Excessive cardio. Most guys are so eager to get lean that they slave away on cardio exercises several times a week. What they didn't know is that they're killing their hard-earned muscle gains. Cardio is actually beneficial to muscle growth. However, do it in moderation if your goal is to gain muscle. Limit the frequency, intensity, and duration of your cardio workouts. The rule of thumb is to do cardio no more than 3 to 4 weekly bouts lasting 30 to 40 minutes. Number 2. Using weights that are too heavy. For many former athletes, the competition will always be a part of them. This is a helpful trait when you're training. But at the same time, it can also lead to injury or cause your progress to be derailed if you start training with a weight that's too heavy. As a result, your moment speed will decrease while compensation of movement will increase, which leads to injury. The takeaway here is to focus on the quality of your movement with a safe, moderate weight. Number 3. Slow transitions. When you're at the gym, there should be no downtime. If you need to rest, spend it on stretching or improving on stability. One of the most used excuses for people who are in training is that they lack time. Spending several hours in the gym is not a solution. With proper programming, workouts should be done beginning to end in an hour, so don't waste time with slow transitions. Number 4. Neglecting what your body tells you. If you feel that your triceps and front delts are aching due to your last workouts, plus you had a rough sleep last night, then don't go to the gym. That should be the most logical and rational decision. Yet many dedicated gym goers still insist on going. While it's true that some days you really need to push through, a day like that isn't one of those. Listen to your body and what it's telling you. Don't abuse it or you'd end up injuring yourself. Number 5. Underestimating breakfast. Better to be late than skip breakfast. Did you know that for every minute you run on an empty stomach after waking up, your body starts eating up your muscles for energy to fuel basic activities? Yep, that's exactly how it sounds. An empty stomach is like turning your body into a muscle-killing machine. Thus, make sure to eat a balanced breakfast before heading out. Eggs are great for reducing hunger and abdominal fats. Oatmeal, too, is a great source of complex carbs and fiber. Are you guilty of committing any of those gym mistakes? Share your answers or comments below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.